Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace your Ford Fusion key fob battery. This easy method will have your key fob working like new in just a few minutes. First, gather your essential tools: a small flathead screwdriver and one new CR2032 coin cell battery. Having these items ready makes the process smooth and quick. Now, let's open your key fob. Begin by locating the small release button on the side of the fob. Press this button firmly and then pull out the emergency key blade. Next, you'll see a small slot where the key blade was. Carefully insert your small flathead screwdriver into this slot and gently twist it to pry open the two halves of the key fob casing. With the key fob open, it's time to replace the battery. You'll see the old, circular CR2032 battery nestled in its compartment. Gently pry it out using your screwdriver, being careful not to damage the contacts. Observe the orientation of the old battery, noting which side faces up. Then, insert your new CR2032 battery with the positive or plus side facing upwards. Finally, let's reassemble and test your key fob. Carefully align the two halves of the casing, ensuring they fit together perfectly. Gently press them until you hear a satisfying click, indicating they are securely closed. Don't forget to slide the emergency key blade back into its slot. Now, test all the functions of your key fob to confirm the new battery is working properly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.